Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is a critical component of the Honda Accord's engine management system. The DTC P0560 indicates an unexpected voltage in the PCM power source circuit. This code suggests that there's an issue with the terminal voltage for the PCM memory being lower than normal. This abnormality can prevent the PCM from functioning correctly, leading to vehicle performance issues. The PCM is typically located in the engine compartment. Connected to various sensors and circuits essential for efficient vehicle operation. Understanding this DTC is vital for effective troubleshooting and ensuring your vehicle operates smoothly. The DTC P0560 indicates that the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, is detecting an issue with its power source circuit. The PCM is responsible for managing engine functions by processing data from various sensors and controlling engine performance. If the terminal voltage for the PCM memory drops below a specified threshold, the PCM registers this as an abnormality and triggers the DTC. The PCM is typically found in the engine compartment, secured in place and connected to multiple circuits and sensors that help monitor and maintain optimal engine function. Regular inspections of the PCM and associated circuits are essential to prevent misdiagnosis and ensure vehicle reliability. There are several possible causes for the DTC P0560. First, an abnormal voltage in the PCM power source circuit can lead to this issue. If the voltage is lower than required, it compromises the PCM's functionality. A faulty PCM itself could also be the root cause. Internal failures can prevent it from properly handling input signals. Additionally, wiring issues such as frayed wires or poor connections can disrupt the circuit and lead to unexpected voltage readings. Therefore, a careful examination of both the wiring and the PCM is necessary to identify the source of the problem accurately. Each of these causes must be addressed during troubleshooting to rectify the issue. The symptoms associated with DTC P0560 can vary, but they often include a check engine light illuminating on the dashboard. This warning indicates that the vehicle's computer has detected an issue. Drivers may also experience poor engine performance, such as rough idling or reduced acceleration, as the PCM struggles to process sensor data correctly. Additionally, there might be electrical issues within the vehicle due to the disrupted power supply, causing erratic behavior of other electronic components. Recognizing these symptoms is vital for early diagnosis, and timely troubleshooting can help prevent further complications that may arise from ongoing issues. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P0560 involves setting the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This action allows the vehicle's systems to reset and start their diagnostic routines. It's crucial to wait for at least 5 seconds after turning the ignition to ensure all systems are prepared for inspection. This simple step helps diagnose the circuits effectively by establishing a baseline state for the vehicle's electrical systems. Skipping this step could lead to inaccurate readings and potentially unnecessary repairs. By following the correct procedure, technicians can ensure they are working with accurate diagnostic data. The second troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the external circuit related to the PCM's power supply. Technicians must verify the integrity of the external connections and check for any signs of damage or corrosion that could affect voltage delivery. Utilizing proper diagnostic tools, such as a multimeter, technicians can measure voltage in the circuit to confirm whether it meets specified standards. The inspection should also include checking the ground connections, as poor grounding can lead to voltage drops, causing similar issues. If abnormalities are identified during this step, They must be addressed to ensure that the PCM receives stable voltage levels required for its operation. The third troubleshooting step requires examining the PCM connector and ensuring it is free from debris, corrosion, or loose connections. Before proceeding to disconnect the PCM connector, technicians should jump the SCS line with the HDS tool, maintaining a clear diagnostic approach. The SCS, or Set Communication System, refers to the connection that allows the diagnostics healthcare system to interface with the vehicle's diagnostic systems. By jumping the SCS, technicians can ensure that communications between the PCM and diagnostic equipment are maintained while performing further inspections. It's essential to wait over a minute after this step before disconnecting the connector to minimize the risk of data loss and ensure accurate testing outcomes. The fourth step involves performing a voltage inspection while the PCM connector is disconnected. Technicians must check the battery voltage and verify that it reads 12 volts, which is the standard for the vehicle's electrical systems. This step ensures that the power supply circuit is functioning correctly and can identify any discrepancies that may provide insights into the malfunction. If the voltage meets the required standard, the problem likely lies within the PCM itself. Conversely, if the voltage is below this threshold, there may be an issue with the power supply circuit or the connections leading to the PCM. It's crucial to document the findings at this stage for accurate diagnostics and repair decisions. After carrying out appropriate repairs based on the previous troubleshooting steps, it's essential to conduct a final verification to ensure the PCM is functioning correctly. Technicians should confirm that the voltage readings are within normal ranges and that all connections are secured and free of corrosion. Following that, a test drive of the vehicle is necessary to evaluate engine performance under real-world conditions. During the test drive, observance of the vehicle's reaction can help determine whether the previously noted symptoms have been resolved. If the check engine light re-illuminates, further diagnostics may be required. Successful verification of repairs is crucial to restoring full functionality and reliability of the vehicle. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoiding DTC P0560 and similar issues in the future. Regular diagnostic checks should be conducted to monitor the health of the PCM and associated components. This practice not only helps detect potential problems early, but also ensures that all systems operate optimally. Inspecting the vehicle's electrical systems, including wiring and connectors, at regular intervals can further prevent unexpected voltage issues. Keeping an eye on battery health is also essential, since battery performance directly impacts the PCM's voltage supply. Ultimately, adhering to a robust preventive maintenance plan can significantly enhance the longevity and reliability of the Honda Accord. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0560 and its implications is vital for effective vehicle maintenance and repair. The root causes can range from voltage discrepancies in the power circuit to potential PCM faults. Conducting thorough inspections throughout the troubleshooting process allows technicians to identify and correct issues efficiently. Regular maintenance not only prevents this specific DTC, but can also extend the vehicle's operational lifespan. By staying proactive, vehicle owners can minimize the chances of encountering severe issues in the future. Ultimately, this knowledge empowers both technicians and vehicle owners to work together for better performance and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.